question for today is that the principal amount is given to be rupees 8,000 and it is given that the compound interest for the second year is rupees 691.2 and we need to find the rate of interest. So I want you to pause this video right now for at least 10 to 15 minutes and try to solve this out. Okay, so we'll continue. We know that the formula for compound interest is that amount equals principal into 1 plus r upon 100 to the power n. So if you have actually tried to solve this question, you will know that this formula is useless. So now what will we do? How will we solve this out? We will do this by using just the basics about what is compound interest. So what is compound interest? Compound interest is the interest that we get on interest, and hence it is compounded annually. So using just that basic logic and the formula that the simple interest for 1 year is interest equals P into R into T upon 100, using these two things we will try to solve this out. So we'll calculate the interest for the first year. The formula is interest equals P into R into T upon 100. So let the rate be X for this equation. And we know that the principal here is rupees 8,000 and the time period, since we are calculating it for the first year, the time period will be 1 year. Okay, so interest equals 8,000 into x into 1 divided by 100, which is equal to 80x. Now for the second year, the principal will change. Now the principal will be the principal of the first year plus the interest that we get at the end of the first year. So that will be 8,000 plus the 80x that we got here. And even for the second year the rate remains the same, that is x, and the time will be 1 year. So the interest is P into R into T upon 100, which is for this second year 8,000 plus 80x into x into 1 divided by 100. Now we know that this compound interest for second year is rupees 691.2. So this 691.2 equals to 8,000 plus 80x into x into 1 divided by 100. Now I am hoping that you know how to solve a quadratic equation. When we reduce this out, like cancelling 1 0 1 0 1 0 and taking this 1 0 left at the left hand side, we get 6912 equals 800x plus 8x square. Now we can see that 6912 is divisible by 8 and hence we can divide 8 throughout, and we end up getting x square plus 100x minus 864 equals 0. Now I want to pause the video again and try to solve this quadratic equation. Okay, so we know that 108 into 8 gives 864. So we can divide the 100x into 108 and minus 8. So that's what I am doing here. X square minus 8x plus 108x minus 864 equals 0. Now that reduces to x into x minus 8 plus 108 x minus 8 equals 0. Hence the roots of this quadratic equation are x equals to 8 or x equals to minus 108. Now we know that, what do we know? We know that the rate of interest, x is the rate of interest and that can't be negative, right? So since the rate of interest can't be negative, we take x equals to 8 as the rate of interest. So we have finally found the rate of interest given the principal amount is rupees 8,000 and the compound interest for the second year is 691.2. Now if you like this video, I would I hope that you subscribe to my channel, so that it motivates me to make more such videos and share the knowledge that I have with you. Thank you for watching.